Kenya United Muslim Students' Rights Activists, an organization formed by high school students to address the issues and find solutions to the challenges faced by high school students across the country, held a Muslim Student Leaders Mentorship program. The program, held at JAMIA Mosque, Nairobi's multi-purpose hall, was a tool to empower and inspire Muslim youths by providing them with essential leadership skills and fostering a sense of unity within the community.
The event saw over 100 Muslim student leaders mentored and given a platform where they could learn valuable leadership skills while staying connected to their faith and culture.
I'm with a group of high school students, student leaders. We are here to mentor them, motivate them, encourage them on the way of life and to have a better future.
The ones who attended this meeting are pure student leaders from all over the country. We find that it will be good just to come together so that we can discuss our issues.
The program garnered significant interest and participation from the youths across Nairobi's Muslim community, with the primary focus being to inspire and guide students as they prepare to enroll for higher education.
Most important thing is to be faithful, to be knowing about your religion, and to seek knowledge, to use your time. Now you're students, this is your jihad. Every person has his own jihad, and the jihad for this ummah is to seek knowledge, and the other one is to apply the knowledge with the perfect akhlaq in society.
The program was designed to equip young Muslims with practical leadership tools with a wide range of topics, including effective communication, time management, goal setting, and conflict resolution.
Any organization's base is unity. If we look around, every successful organization has always put unity as its first base.
This day being a success, it really gives us that need of having more events like this. We should expect more because, alhamdulillah, for this one it has helped a lot of students today. Many students have gained a lot, and yeah, there'll be more to come. Not only from this county, we will travel to other counties like Machakos, Limuru, and so on, so that we capture the grievances of the students who are there and who are not able to come here today.
Speaking during the mentorship program, the Deputy Director General from the Ministry of Education, Yusuf Jilo, said the program provides a safe space for learners to learn, share, experience, and grow together.
You have been taken through so many topics like time management, leadership skills, and the discipline. All these things will help you to become better, responsible citizens in future. Our way of life, the Islamic way of life, it calls for discipline. And waking up at 5 for Fajr prayers, it requires a lot of discipline. And if you are disciplined in this life, you will be successful. Even our call to prayer, Hayya ala salah, Hayya ala falah, come to success. So it requires discipline, everything. Fasting during the holy month of Ramadan, also discipline.
Reporting for Muslim Insight, I'm Kasim Mustafa.